You keep hearing the same handful of names. GPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama, DeepSeek, Kimi. It sounds like alphabet soup, and every few weeks there's a new best AI in the world, so it's genuinely hard to keep track. But here's the good news. Underneath all the noise, the entire landscape of big AI models fits onto a single, simple map. And once you can see that map, the headlines stop being confusing and start making sense. So in this first episode, let's draw it together. Every major AI model sits somewhere on two simple lines. The first line is about access, closed versus open. A closed model, you can only rent. You send it your words through an app, it sends back an answer, but you never actually touch the model itself. It lives on the company's servers. An open model is the opposite. You can download it, run it on your own machines, keep it completely private, even customize it. The second line is about origin, where it's built. On one side, a cluster of American labs. On the other, a fast-rising wave of models coming out of China. Two lines for corners. That's the entire board. Let's start in the top corner, the frontier labs. These are the companies spending tens of billions of dollars to build the most capable models on Earth and renting them to you. OpenAI makes GPT, the model behind ChatGPT, the one that started the whole boom and became the default for millions. Anthropic makes Claude, built safety first, and known for being especially strong at writing code and working through long, careful documents. It can hold an entire code base in its head at once. And Google makes Gemini, wired directly into search, Android, Gmail, and Google's own custom AI chips. All three are powerful, polished, and importantly closed. You use them, but you never hold them. But there's a whole other camp that does something radical. They give the model away. Meta kicked the door open with Llama, a genuinely capable model that's free to download and run, and it proved OpenAI could compete with the giants. France's Mistral followed, with small, efficient models European companies could own and run themselves, no dependence on American cloud. And xAI's Grok arrived with a massive compute cluster and a live feed of the internet through the platform formerly known as Twitter. Different bets, but all of them pushing against the idea that the best AI has to be locked inside a corporate vault. And then the map got redrawn from the other side of the world. In early 2025, a Chinese lab called DeepSeek stunned the entire industry. It matched the performance of the frontier models, but built for a tiny fraction of the cost, and then gave the weights away for free. It wiped $1 trillion off American tech stocks in a single day. Moonshot's Kimi pushed the limits of how much a model can read and reason over at once, and built a reputation for handling complex, multi-step tasks. And Alibaba's Quinn quietly became the most downloaded open model family on the entire planet. The foundation thousands of other AI products are built on. Fast, cheap, and open, a serious challenge to Silicon Valley. So which corner of the map actually wins? Here's the honest answer. It depends on what you need, and that's exactly the point of this series. If you want the single most capable model and the easiest experience, the closed frontier labs are usually ahead, but you're renting, and your data leaves your building. If you care about privacy, cost, and control, an open model you run yourself can be the smarter choice, even if it's a few months behind on raw capability. The American labs tend to push the frontier first. The Chinese labs race right behind them on cost and openness. There's no single winner. There's only the right tool for your job. So that's the map. Closed frontier labs at the top, open challengers below, American giants on one side, a surging China on the other. Every name you'll ever hear fits somewhere on it. Over the next episodes, we'll visit each camp, one at a time, and answer the only question that really matters. Which one should you actually use, and for what? We start where the whole story began, with OpenAI and GPT. This is the AI briefing book. Let's get you caught up. See you next time.